We're making a tandoori chicken pizza.
Tandoori chicken tikka pizza.
Yeah, a tandoori chicken tikka pizza because this is tikka sauce and then Pillsbury dough.
And then we're gonna top it with the
Cheese.
fresh basil.
Yeah, we also grow basil.
Right?
Yeah.
That's the sauce.
And then this is the basil. And then this is the tandoori chicken.
Oh, let's put the chicken first.
Mhm.
Now it's time for the cheese.
And the shredded cheese. And put the fresh basil on top. And then we're gonna put this in the oven and then let it cook. Alright, so this is the final result of the tandoori chicken tikka pizza.
That's right.
Got the pizza cutter about to cut it and then eat. This is there, it looks good. Basil's are all cooked.